Spirit move your heart, your mind, and your soul to accept Jesus as a Savior if you don't know Him. If you don't know Him, come on, leave a comment to Pastor Jeffrey, and he'll get back in touch with you and lead you to Jesus. If you need any prayer, if you need it to speak to somebody, leave messages below, and we'll get back with you. God bless y'all. We love